Hey, second graders, we just listened to our story, The Cat and the Mice. So at the beginning of the story, I told you to be listening for what is the problem? So we're going to be filling in our chart to figure out what was our problem and solution and the steps to get to that solution. So every problem should have a solution. Okay, so our problem. What went wrong in the story? What was the problem for the mice? Remember? What was the problem? I want you to think to yourself right now. What was our problem? If you said that the cat is always catching the mice, you are correct. So I'm going to write that here. I'm going to say the cat would chase and catch the mice. That's not very nice, those poor little mice. That would be a problem. I would want somebody chasing and catching me. Would you? Okay, now we're going to think about the steps that the mice are taking to get to their solution. So here's our story. Just remember on this page, the mice. The cat was always catching those mice. Here, what did the mice do to help solve their problem? They had a meeting. They all met together and were trying to come up with different ideas, weren't they? Yes. So I'm going to write that. The mice had a meeting to share ideas and what was their final solution? What do you think? What did they need to do to outsmart that mean old kitty? What's their solution? If you said put a bell on that cat's neck, you are right. That was their solution. Put a bell around the cat's neck so they could hear him coming. In this story, that is just one problem and solution. But this story ended up having multiple problems. So on your paper, I want you to write down what became their next problem. If you can remember, go ahead and write it down. All right, friends. Thank you.